All right, so you all laughed at my contraption that I tried to build in class, but look, now it's working. Welcome to language time. I actually have your worksheet that I'm going to be doing some of it with you today, so that hopefully this will help you with understanding adverbs. So if you look at Think A, you're going to see the directions are in each of the following sentences, in is an adverb which describes the verb. Okay, so we're looking for ones that describe verbs. Underline each verb 2 times. Circle the adverb and draw an arrow from the adverb to the verb. If the verb has a helping verb, draw an arrow to each part of the verb. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do number 1 with you. It says you should work diligently. Now, if you remember in my video from yesterday, there was a secret that I gave you. And the secret was that we're looking for words that start with ly. Now, don't think you just go through and find ly words. You have to still be able to tell me what it's describing. So let's start with our verb. So in this sentence, you should see should work is your verb. And should work, well, we could go through all of our questions, but since I told you yesterday there was a secret about ly words, what word ends in ly? Diligently. So I know diligently. So how are they working? They're working diligently. So I'm going to take an arrow and another arrow and make it go to the verbs. Let's do number 2 together. Did you listen attentively? Well, what's our verb? This is a question or an interrogative sentence, so we know that it's a verb phrase, but this verb phrase is going to be broken up. So we did listen, right? And again, we're going to use our secret, which is to find a word with an ly, and we can see it's right here, attentively. So we're going to say that attentively is going to listen and did. Sorry, it's going to get a little bit messy because I'm using this big black marker. Brilliantly, the stars shone. So what's our verb? Shone. Are there any words that have ly in them? Yep, there's an ly word. Brilliantly. So shone how? Brilliantly. Number 4 says steadily the horses advanced. So our verb again is as advanced. And is there an ly word? Yep, steadily. So we're going to go from advanced to steadily. We'll do one more together. The deer ran gracefully. He ran. And then we have an ly word. How did they run? Gracefully. I just realized I did this one backwards. It should be like this. And I did this one backwards too. I did them backwards. This should be the adverb to the verb. Okay, so that one, I did 1 through 5 for you. I want you to go ahead and do 6 through 10 on your own. Okay, now let's look at Think B. Think B says underline each adverb. In the blank, write the word or the verb or verb phrase that the adverb describes. Well, that means what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for first the verb and then the adverb. So on the line, we're going to do our verb, and then we're going to underline our adverb. So it says, Robert Bruce bravely defended Scotland. Well, what's the verb? Defended. I'm still going to double underline because in my brain that helps me. Are there any ly words? Yes, there is. We're going to underline it, and then we're going to put defended. Sorry about that. My video decided to stop right as I was telling you the answer. So for number 1 on Think B, we write defended on the line. All right, let's do a couple more together on Think B. He and his men courageously fought the English. Okay, so what's our verb? fought. Again, I'm double underlining, even though the directions don't say to, because in my brain that helps me. And then are there any ly words? Yes, courageously. So I'm going to put fought on the line, because how did they fought? They fought courageously. Number 3, he was consistently beaten by them. Okay, so again, look for the verb. The verb is beaten. Any ly words? Yep, consistently. So we're going to write beaten on the line because consistently is describing beaten. When were they beaten? Consistently. All right. I think that's where I'm going to stop for this one. I think you'll do really well on finishing up Think B. On Think C, we are going to learn how to change an adjective to an adverb by adding ly. As you can see, I changed quick to quickly, able to ably, and then grand to grandly. Well, hopefully that will help you with doing Think C. It's actually not that hard to change an adjective to an adverb. All right? Well, until our next video after spring break, I will talk to you later. Bye.